What's up guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're going to be drawing Star Platinum from Jojo. To get started, we'll draw a simple X. Then we'll draw his diamond-shaped nose in the middle of the X, with the majority of his nose being at the bottom below the reference line. Then we're going to draw the eyeballs, but notice on the right side the eyeball is going to be closer to the nose, whereas on the left side it's going to be further away. That's because his head is slightly tilted to his right side. His eyebrows will be attached directly to the top of his eyes. For now, there's no need to draw the bottom of the eyebrow because it goes along the original X that we drew in the beginning. Most of his mouth is going to be on his left side. The bottom of his lip will be well defined, so be sure to give it some depth. We'll draw the bottom of his chin first before moving on to draw the side of his face. The side of his face will curve inward right around where we drew the reference line. This is going to define his jawline. We're basically done with his face now. We just need to clean up, redefine the lines, and then add some more details. Okay, so I actually wanted to address the order of the drawings that I'm doing right now. Some of you might be pretty mad because I kind of skipped over you in the simple series when I was supposed to do your instructional next. But yeah, these are just much faster for me to do. The instructional series, I am going to continue it either tomorrow or the next day, and I'll start trying to pump one of those out a day. The reason it was taking me so long before is just those colored pencils were, I think they added 2.5 hours to each drawing. I got some Copic markers on the way, and apparently they need some special paper too, so I ordered those, and I should be ready to start drawing again in another two or 3 days. But much faster and probably much more consistently. For now, I'm just going to continue to do these simple drawings because they only take me about 2 to 2.5 hours, and they're much easier to edit, and honestly I think you'll probably learn a lot more from them too, because the hardest part is just drawing the face. I've been pretty shocked at how many requests I've had to do drawings for JoJo characters. At first I thought they looked a little bit weird. I thought most of the characters were gay, to be honest with you. But then after I did a little bit of looking into, I found out that the creator was actually a big fan of fashion, and I think he made them look gay to be funny, because most of the characters are actually pretty masculine. I might have to give it a shot. It looks like it's a pretty popular show. I never heard of it until somebody asked me to draw it. But since starting this channel, I've started a lot of new animes that I'd never heard of, so I might give this one a shot too. Alright guys, and that is it for today. If there's any character that you'd like to see drawn on this simple series, please go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll try to get to your drawing as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.